Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. Impeachment in the Philippines is fast turning into a political circus where constitutional gravity is drowned out by noise, theatrics, and selective outrage, as seen in the recent cases involving Vice President Sara Duterte and President Marcos. What should be a solemn mechanism to enforce accountability has become a weapon of timing, optics, and survival, filed not to seek truth but to test loyalties, flex numbers, or distract the public. The process now feels less like justice and more like performance, with rehearsed sound bites, premature verdicts, and partisan cheers replacing evidence and sobriety. When impeachment is reduced to a spectacle, it weakens institutions, exhausts the public, and trivializes real accountability. A democracy cannot mature if its highest constitutional remedy is treated like a recurring show, where everyone knows the script, the ending is uncertain, and the people are left wondering whether anyone is still serious about governance. Thank you for watching.